I've got the OnePlus 15, and today I'll be showing you how to use your fingerprint for the privacy password, or how to attach your fingerprint to your privacy password, so that instead of entering your privacy password, you can simply use your fingerprint. So go to settings, and then under settings, go to security and privacy, tap on that, and then you want to scroll down to private safe, tap on that, and then enter your privacy password. And that's going to allow you into the private safe. So now you can tap on the three dots in the top right corner and tap on settings, and then go to privacy password, enter your privacy password again, and then now you're inside your privacy password settings. So here you should see other unlock methods, fingerprint and face unlock. So you can tap on fingerprint, then you can enable fingerprint for data protection, for app lock and hide apps. These are the places you normally use your privacy password. And then now, whenever you ask for your privacy password, for instance, if you try to access your hidden apps or whatever it is, then instead of typing in your privacy password, you simply go ahead and use your fingerprint. So you can see you have the option to now simply use fingerprint, and it lets you through. If you don't want to use a fingerprint, you can as well just request to use the privacy password and use that password. Thanks for watching, and good luck.